What is going on, my YouTube friends? So I'm back out in the garage today. Beautiful sunny day. Look at it out there, man. Oh yeah, baby, it's beautiful. So I'm back out here in the garage, and I kind of figured out exactly how I'm running the wires. You've seen what I'm doing with the headlight wires. Matter of fact, I made a little change, so let me show you that right quick, and then I'll bring you right back. As I told you before, I was bringing everything through here, then up, and I went through here. I taped them up, but I'm going to put some other stuff on here to protect the wires. And then, you know, they ran up and through here, then they come out again here, and then I put a head and I put a bracket here, and I brought them here, so I'm running out. And so these right here are the wires for the driver's side headlight and the passenger side headlight. Instead of running them around here, I just put them through here. And I put another little bracket on the inside right there to hold it. But I took and I ran the wires. And I brought them out here. See that? And then I tucked them inside. So they're going up in here and they're coming in there across, and then they're going out and they're coming out at that end right there. So that's what I got going on right now. And I still got to put, you know, the ends and stuff on there. Like you can see, here's a new one for this one, and then I'll put another new one on for this one right here. And then these right here are for your grounds and stuff like that. So we'll clean all that up. But anyhow, for the solenoid wires, this right here is the original set of solenoid wires, and they're hooked down here. But I don't really like these ends. I mean, they're old and stuff like that. So the one that I took off the Lincoln, this is it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add those to those wires. I'll mount those wires together. And I took and I run them through here. And as you can see in there, it goes right through the front cowl. So I got them run through the front cowl all the way across. And they're coming out here on the other side of the cowl. So I'll fasten all that stuff up there when I get to it. And like I said, I'll put something on there to protect those wires. But I like this setup a little bit better than I do on the other set of wires. And I can run it right through here, and I can hook it to the starter solenoid here. And then I have the starter wires that go down to the starter. And I got those right there. You see I got a battery tray and everything for that. So I'll be hooking up the solenoid and everything right here where that belongs. And then I'll hook the new starter wires up, and I'll go back behind the motor mount, and then I'll go to the starter. You see the starter back there, right here. So that's the plan, and that's the route I'm going. And I got to order a couple things, and then I'll get out here and start working on it. So guys, I appreciate you sticking with me on this, giving me your ideals and stuff. But I think we're definitely moving forward. Definitely moving forward. You know, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take these wires and stick them in here, and we'll get them done. Yeah. And I'm getting the nice radiator bracket thingamajigger right here. Yeah, buddy. But anyhow, yeah, we're moving along, getting things done. And hey man, I got a lot of work and a lot of time and a lot of money in this car. But we're going to make it, and it's going to be nice, hopefully. And I'm really wanting to get this thing fired up. You know what I mean? If I had a good week off of work, I could get this thing running, man. You know, give me a little help over here or something like that to help me guide some wires and do this and do that. And we could get things done. Yes, as my plans have changed over and over again in this car. And I think that I'm on the right track now. I think that we're going to get this stuff done. It should be a pretty good runner. I'm going to have some fun with it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's it. You know what I mean? I'm happy with the progress that I've made within the last, I'm going to say 6 months. You know, we've really made some progress. I'm sorry. But guys, I appreciate each and every one of you, man. Thanks for watching my videos, my channel. guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. You have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. Yeah, buddy.